Thanks, you Color Fun fam. Your subs, likes, and comments bring our channel to life. Stay tuned for more creative and magical journeys. See you in the next video.
And with that, we've reached the end of this exciting journey. Don't forget to give it a big like and share it with your friends. If you're not yet part of our community, I invite you to join. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you won't miss a single video. Do you have suggestions for future videos or any questions? Drop them in the comments. I love hearing your thoughts. Thanks to everyone for your constant support. See you in the next video full of emotions. Until then.